Buju band members, today is Friday, August 14th. And COVID statistics, Aiken County up to 42, Crow Wing is up to 65, Mille County is up to 73, and Pine County is up to 132. There are no changes or increases for the reservation. District 1 talked about there were 9 confirmed cases and there are 0 in quarantine. So all of the 9 have came out of the quarantine. And District 2, 3 confirmed, 0 in quarantine, and of course in District 3, no confirmed cases. And 169. Have you seen the cones out there? Well, we have been working on a project for a long time, and with the Minnesota Department of Transportation, MnDOT, and the University of Minnesota. So we are now going to start the construction for the crosswalk. And the funding will be done by the Department of Transportation, and there is a match from the Mille Band, but that match is going to be covered by MnDOT as well, so no cost to the band. Great. And there's the study with the University of Minnesota. Just wondering how many people actually cross 169 to get to the casino if you are on the east side going to west side of 169 and vice versa. And it showed that the majority of the people use the opening in the fence. That's where they cross. They don't go to the crosswalk. And so now you will see the new crosswalk being constructed with the yellow and red flashing lights. So that will assist with our band members and others crossing 169 to get to the east side or the west side or vice versa. So that's pretty good. Want to talk a little bit about our new Health and Human Services building. Apparently there are some folks that don't know where it is and how to get there. So we will be putting maps up, and if you use Google, because it's such a brand new address, it hasn't registered yet, so you cannot even Google to find the directions. Also, we're putting up some hard road signs so that will point which direction to the clinic. So hopefully that will assist when you need to visit the new Health and Human Services building. A quick shout out to band member Carol Hernandez, and she is a coordinator at the ALU in District 1, and she has been working with the elders during COVID just to make sure that they keep busy, and there's a lot of activities going on. I know the elders are very appreciative. They've did working with birch bark, leather, sewing machines, beads, and many have said that they have never did that before now. And so thank you, Carol, for teaching and working with our elders to bring out their artistic ability. And we know there's some beautiful work being done. And you'll see a census video by Shelly Diaz. And again, we want to remind you to fill out your census information. That really assists with funding across the state of Minnesota. And if we have a very low count of census, that means that the federal funding doesn't make it into the state of Minnesota. And again, that is for schools, for veterans, for roads. So it's very important for you to fill that census data out. And also, reminder to wear your mask, have mine, and also the 6 feet distancing, and also washing your hands. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Miigwech.